Hello trainees, welcome to Fitter Week 6. This week we will study the following topics: physical properties of metal, mechanical properties of metal. Properties of metal. Metals have different properties depending on type of application. Different metals are selected. Physical properties of metals: color, weight or specific gravity, structure, conductivity, magnetic property, fusibility. Color. Different metals have different colors. For example, copper is of a distinctive red color, mild steel is of a blue or black sheen. Weight. Metals differ based on their weight. A metal like aluminium weighs lighter, specific gravity which is 2.8, than many others, and a metal like lead is heavy, specific gravity that is 9. Specific gravity. It is the ratio between the weight of the metal and the weight of the equal volume of water. Structure. Generally, metals can also be differentiated by their internal microstructure. Metals like wrought iron and aluminium will have fibrous structure, and metal like cast iron and bronze will have granule structure. Conductivity. Thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity are the measure of the ability of a material to conduct heat and electricity. Conductivity will vary from metal to metal. Magnetic property. A metal is said to possess magnetic property if it is attracted by a magnet. Almost all ferrous metals, excepting some types of stainless steel, can be attracted by a magnet, and non-ferrous metals and their alloys will not be attracted by magnet. Fusibility. It is the property possessed by a metal by virtue of which melts when heat is applied. Many materials are subject to the transformation in shape, i.e., from solid to liquid, at different temperatures. Tin has a low melting temperature, 232 degrees Celsius, and tungsten melts at high temperature, 3370 degrees Celsius. Mechanical properties of metal: ductility, malleability, hardness, brittleness, toughness, tenacity, elasticity. Ductility. A metal is said to be ductile when it may be drawn out in tension without tear. Wire drawing depends upon ductility for its successful operation. A ductile metal must be both strong and plastic. Copper and aluminium are good examples of ductile metals. Malleability. Malleability is the property of permanently extending in all directions without rupture by hammering, rolling, etc. to change its size and shape. Lead is a very malleability metal. Hardness. Hardness is a measure of metal's ability to withstand scratching, wear, abrasion, and penetration. Brittleness. Brittleness is the property of a metal which permits no permanent distortion before breaking. Cast iron is an example of a brittle metal, and it will break rather than bend under shock or impact. Toughness. Toughness is the property of a metal to withstand shock or impact. Toughness is the property opposite to brittleness. Wrought iron is an example of tough metal. Tenacity. Tenacity of a metal is the ability to resist the effect of tensile forces without rupture. Mild steel, wrought iron, and copper are examples of tenacious metals. Elasticity of a metal is its power of returning to its original shape after the applied force is released.